It's the first public sharing of Maelstrom with the latest version. So let's talk about on-prem and transcoding, right? And a lot of people will do transcoding in the cloud right now, but they also encounter all kinds of issues like pricing and performance and scale, while they might want to have a use case for on-prem transcoding, like in your own network, like a single machine doing transcoding, or even maybe you want to have your own transcoding cloud. Now, that's why we built Maelstrom. Um, transcoding is always about quality and features, but it's also about performance. Sorry, about quality. Sorry, not complexity and easiness, but also about being cheap or expensive. And this is the sweet spot where you want to be. You want to have the cheapest solution, which is easy to use. But if you look at current solutions in the market, for instance, if you use that NETINT box, you still have to plug into the API and start building the software yourself to tap into all the cool technology that NETINT has developed. So that's rather complicated. It's far from easy, and it's not expensive. It's also not cheap because it will. You don't have to buy any licenses from anyone, but you have to develop everything in house, which is still rather expensive. And then, of course, you also have to maintain that operation and operate it on a daily basis. A rather cheaper solution is FFmpeg because it's a standard, ready to go, great library that you can tap into and use the NetInt acceleration cards. But still, you have to do all kinds of development and configuration, etc. Also, if you want to start scaling up, you have to run FFmpeg per card, per machine, individually. It's a lot of overhead stuff that you have to do on a daily basis to manage your encoding, transcoding cloud. So, and then if you look at, for instance, one of the competitors in this field, a very known one is Atom. Cool stuff, but it's rather expensive software. Also requires expensive hardware. And is it easy? Yes, it's easy, but it's still very complicated. A lot of stuff that you can configure to do it either right or wrong. Now, it's none of them are in that sweet spot, and we developed Maelstrom to be exactly in that sweet spot. Now, to give you a little bit of history, why we developed Maelstrom is that we operate Jetstream Cloud. It's our own cloud infrastructure specifically for streaming. And one of the features, of course, is transcoding. And we've been using the NetInt acceleration cards for, I think, 2 years now to accelerate and scale our transcoding services to drive down the cost, also drive down energy to become more greener, and also, of course, to scale up our capacity. And we've been developing all kinds of technologies around their hardware stack because, of course, our customers use a cloud service which requires software. And we have been able to put all this software into a box. And this is the Maelstrom software. And